Hey guys, so before we get into this video, I just wanted to show you guys this wig that I'll be wearing throughout this entire video. This wig is from a company called Nadula Hair. They sent me a 16-inch wig. It's body wave texture, and then I went ahead and I took it to Sunny M, as I've been doing. Obviously guys, you can see that I'm literally obsessed with their services. However, I took it there for them to turn it into a bob, and so that's what they did. I would say this bob is around 14 inches. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. This hair curls beautifully, as you guys will be able to see in this vlog, and it looks very nice when the curls have dropped, and as well as when the curls are very done up, as you guys will see me do here, and as you guys will see when I'm actually at the Friendsmas lunch at the end of the video. So this is the hair. It is absolutely beautiful. You guys are just going to be seeing me install the hair, then I will style it for you very quickly. It's not going to be a long demonstration. I will leave all the timestamps down below and throughout this video, so you guys can watch what you want to watch. If you want to watch the install, if you guys want to watch the styling, do what you gotta do. If you guys would like any more information on this hair, please do check out the description box down below, and all the links will be there as well. I hope you guys do enjoy the vlog, and I will see you and talk to y'all a little bit later.
Feed me your rose while I royce on your dove. Tell me you're coy, but I see past your bluffing. For some reason now you've been feeling my touch. Guess you don't know, you don't know, you don't know. I am the one that you've been looking for. Shine like the sun when I'm headed on tour. You'll realize and reply with bonjour. Guess you don't know, you don't know, you don't know. I am the one that you've been looking for. Shine like the sun when I'm headed on tour. You'll realize and reply with bonjour. Señorita, don't wanna text me back, but I'm okay with that. Señorita, you might have set me back, but girl, I'm still on track. Señorita, you never liked my style. I wasn't worth your while. Señorita, wanted to see you smile, but you was oh so fine. Señorita, don't wanna text me back, but I'm okay with that. Señorita, you might have set me back, but girl, I'm still on track. Señorita, you never liked my style. I wasn't worth your while. Señorita, wanted to see you smile, but you was oh so fine. This is for all those that you said I wasn't cool and shit. The bitches ain't suck my dick on a stolen shit. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. All you stupid hoes ain't shit. I'm the coolest motherfucker in this bitch.
Oh baby,
yeah, murder egg, murder egg.
I love you, babe. I think I love you, babe. Oh baby,
Ashanti, Ashanti. Chapter 2. Let's ride, let's ride.
can you rock for me? Oh baby, can you take it to the top for me? I just wanna love you, baby. What you thinking? Over me, oh baby, can you take control for me? I just wanna love you, baby. What you thinking? I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh baby, when you're kissing me. Oh baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I want to do to you tonight. Oh baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Can you stop for me? Oh baby, can you stop for me? Take it to the top for me. I just wanna love you, baby. What you thinking? Over me, oh baby, over me. I just wanna love you.
What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time joining us, welcome to it. I really do hope that you stay, you subscribe, and you become a part of the ZeeX family. So today I'm with my cutie, and we are going on a little road trip today. We are going to this place in the northwest. I can't tell you where it is because I actually have no freaking idea. However, I will tell you guys when we get there, whatever the case is. And we are heading there now because me and Bali are running extremely late. We have nothing together. We have one bag between the two of us. Bali still needs to go to her place and pack a bag. We have to get naked. What else?
Yeah, we need to change the
windscreen wipers. Ininzi sana into efuneka siyenzile. Ininzi. Okay, ingxaki zethu zonke ezime ngenxa ingxaki zethu nengxaki zazo. Zine ngxaklets. But you know what? It's fine because today Cyril's closing the country, and what we did last night was just so necessary for our souls. Because let's jump on my last.
For real.
Let's jump on my last. So I love the fact that we enjoyed because we probably won't smell enjoyment for a very long time.
For a very long time.
So yeah, we had to eat it up. We had to have it. We had to have it. But anyways, I will update you guys when we're doing things around Joburg first, and then when we actually go on the road trip. My plan was to actually edit a vlog while I was in the car. However, I didn't actually charge my laptop, so I don't know how I think I'm gonna do that. I really don't know what my plan and situation is in this life, but you know what, we move.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, we've done part 1 of our trip, or part 2 actually. We've been to Aya's house to go pray, and then 2 we got the wipers. Bali, please just give them a demo. Yes, just a demo. Oh, we are off right now. Okay, we are off right now. So what is our next thing? We're gonna go get Nakes, and then we're gonna get a snack. We need some Powerade Jagged Ice, guys. If you don't already drink it, you need to get onto it because it will bring you back to life. Okay, you will be down and out, and that thing will say, sweetie, come back. So we're gonna go get that and a snack because we're gonna be driving for about an hour. So we need to be up to be complete. Let's go to Chili Lane. Yeah. All right, guys, see you guys when we go get the kids.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, phase 3, and okay, we're nearly on phase 4. Phase 3 is done. We have the stairs.
It's a real road trip now.
The stairs is up, and we got the Jagged Ice namanzi. See, up. The only thing we have to do now is go to Mbali's to pick up her stuff. And that's on period. We up. Yeah. Everybody has overtaken us because Bali's taking forever to drive on this road, and it's fucking ending me. One thing about that, we can't even see them anymore, but they've gone into the horizon.
While the way thing is driving, it's scaring me.
It's giving her a lost, because one thing about her, she can't do that.
No, I don't know this road. Next thing, the wheel.
Shanghai.
How is it searching for network? Get up. How do we know when we drive?
How do we know? But Aya said she showed. It's gonna say Naledi.
Yeah, it says
It's a song playing in the next. I'll
welcome to Naledi 53 private farm. And I'm going to show you a tour. welcome to my crib. Why is it? Join me. You ain't never.
I can't stand this girl.
The next day.
Good morning, cuties. It's December. Ikels is one eat breakfast. I haven't spoken to the vlog since yesterday because one thing about me, painting showing me. However, Ikels is one eat breakfast in the app. Ikels is one eat pool day, and I love it for them. However, I'm not even wearing my own costume, and as you can see, these titties are not tittying.
But
Oh, Bao! Nasa! Hey, just give us a walk.
no, but this costume doesn't make
Come on.
body look.
Your body looks up, bro.
What's the
Footinizer up. Please, can you guys? I want you guys, Footy and I, to dive in. I just want to see something. I just want to see something, guys. Nothing much. Something.
It's gonna be like this.
Who? Right? I'm so funny. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Is it recording? Yeah, it is. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, we're just having a pool day today, chill vibes.
Stop looking at me.
At what's this place called? Naledi 53. Naledi at 53 private game farm, and it's black owned. So you know what? Like, and that's on period. That's on period.
One thing about you, this is your channel. I'm just a part of it.
Watching you dance, invitation to get in advance. Baby. So I
Guys, Footy, Sabe,
Oh, sister, oh, casa. Imbeleko kazama, guys, usenzi.
And it actually kind of hacks you that I don't have braids. Because one thing about us, we triplets. They think they twins, but really we triplets.
Really triplets.
And that's on braids.
I'm pretty.
Yo,
They come a long way.
that's a thing.
One day my grandpa, she used to hire me. I need that shit. They come a
We're a bit too close for my liking, yo. You guys were together in the womb that time.
The next day.
Okay guys, so you guys are probably looking at me like, sweetie, you were just in the northwest. So I look like you work at home. But it is because I have come back today. Me and Bali drove back this morning, and today I have a Friendsmas celebration with a few of my friends. If you guys don't know them, you guys will meet them today. My makeup is kind of looking a bit weird. I feel like my neck doesn't match when you put more foundation on it. Anyways, my voice is gone, which a lot of my subscribers have told me about, which thank you so much guys for my Instagram followers for telling me that my voice is gone. I know, okay? I'm enjoying a December. But anyways, yeah, we're going to Friendsmas, and I need to actually go and get a gift for my Secret Santa, Amanda. I need to go and buy her a gift from Zara. What I'm gonna do is I'm buying her a perfume from Zara, one of those Zara perfumes, because our max, like our limit for our gifts is 500 Rand. So I think that's gonna be perfect. I don't know how much they are. I think they're 500. I don't know, child. But anyways, I've been speaking a lot, and as you can hear, my voice is kind of strained. So let's go.
Tryna put my name on it. They talking about no tattoo. Cups on, face down, that's up.
Never above you, never below you, always beside you.
What if you're still around?